So I'm here with Amar Shafi. Congratulations on the new launch. The first question to you is, what exactly is the XUV category we're talking about here?
Actually, if you see category-wise in Pakistan, there is hatchback, then sedan, and then SUV. So you see that right now people are moving more towards the moving from sedan to hatchback to SUVs. But for our customer, which end up at hatchback, because we have the last product hatchback. After that, we don't have any product. So if there is a possibility that we come up for our hatchback customer with sedan or XUV.
Okay.
But to graduate from sedan to from hatchback to sedan to SUV, so we have the option to bring this product, which is basically it carries the attributes of SUV and comfort of sedan.
And do you see potential in the Pakistani market कि ये category future क्या देख रहे हैं? Will it fit right between where you
Well,
think it will?
that is our strength, and we have a big dealership network, and we have a very experienced team that we take this challenge to create a new segment in Pakistan.
And can you tell us a bit about the Fronx itself? मतलब a bit about the car.
Fronx के बारे में महदूद हम बता रहे हैं. Basically, right now we want to create awareness that this is a product, because it's a challenge for us to create a new segment. So हम एक step wise इसमें हम awareness create करेंगे. Right now you can see the product. The product is basically with 1.5 liter engine.
Okay.
And it's comfort. It's available in hybrid. And we want to show the people that there can be a SUV which is not very big in size, but a product which is optimum in size and give you a comfort of SUV, lifestyle of SUV within the city.
And what is the overall global footprint of this car?
Actually, if you see globally, wherever this product has been launched, it is becoming the number one in its category throughout the world. Wherever it has been launched, India, Indonesia, South Africa, even now start in Philippines and Middle East as well.
Okay, and I've heard कि ये global spec car ही पाकिस्तान में launch हो रही है.
Yes, definitely. Suzuki ने पिछले 5-7 साल से जो product भी launch किया है, वो contemporary है global standard और features के साथ.
I really congratulate you with the Fronx, and we hope that it flourishes in the market. Thank you very much.
Thank you.